fact, the Education Ministry has cited delay and modification that's been done by the state government on the MOU for such a decision to be taken. This is the breaking input that we are getting in. In fact, Sherin Elizabeth joins me on that breaking news story. Sherin, could you share with us what is in fact causing this delay and the modification that's being done by the state government?
Well, Akansha, first of all, right now the Education Ministry, of course, has not accepted the allegation that is coming in from the Tamil Nadu government of diverting the fund that was required for the Tamil Nadu education system under PM Shri. And the allegation, of course, that is coming in from M.K. Stalin is that the fund has now been redirected to other states. So that is something that the Education Ministry is not accepting. But they're also saying that there has, in fact, been a delay, also modification that has been made by the state government. Now, what a letter has in fact been shared by the Education Ministry, which is dated 21st January 2025, where they have said that there were the repeated requests that were made since 2022 to 2024. So almost 2 years, there were repeated letters that were written to the state government to sign the MOU under National Education Policy so that they can get the fund under PM Shri scheme, but it went on delaying. And further, it was only last year when Tamil Nadu government decided that they are going to sign this MOU. But even then, they made some modification in the MOU, which was not accepted by the Education Ministry. So the MOU was in fact sent back to them. And again, once again, they were requested on 21st January 2025 that they need to send a signed MOU without any modification. Then only the fund will be given to them. So hindsight, if you look into it, the delay and the modification from the state government side is what has in fact led to this decision, is what it looks like. As of now, Education Ministry says that we have still not got the signed MOU from Tamil Nadu. So how can we release the fund to Tamil Nadu at this point?
All right. Thank you for sharing all those inputs on that breaking news story. Many thanks to you, Sherin and Purnima, for bringing us those.